family, my name is Tiana. My name is Angelia, and today we're making layer cake. The ingredients you'll need are 1 bag of rice flour, which we already put in this bowl, 1 bag of tapioca starch, also put it in this bowl, 4 cups of sugar, 1, 2, 3, 4. One teaspoon of salt, 1 pack of vanilla sugar. And then we're going to mix it up together. And then 4 cups of coconut milk or coconut cream, but we're using coconut cream. This is 2 cups. Sorry. 4. We're adding the whole thing in because there's only this much left. I'm gonna mix it together. Our bowl is too small, so we're putting in the bigger bowl. Use your finger, please. Thank you. And then we're going to add 8 cups of water. In total in here are 1 bag of rice flour, 1 bag of tapioca starch, 4 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 pack of vanilla sugar, 4 cups of coconut milk or coconut cream, and 8 cups of water. And then you will need 1 cup of dried Mong beans for the color, and we're doing 2 colors, green and yellow. So we're going to put 1 cup or half a bag of mung beans and clean it. So after we cleaned it, we're cooking it right away for 20 minutes. So when you see the foam like this, you have to take it out. It's been 20 minutes and this is what it looks like. And now it's done cooking. We have 11 cups of the batter in this bowl for the green color and 5 cups in this bowl for the mung bean or the yellow color. And we have the mung bean right here. And then we're going to add teaspoon of salt. If you want the mung beans sweeter, you can add up to half cup of sugar. So we're going to put the batter inside here so you won't have to add water. And now we're going to go blend. You're going to blend it for 1 to 2 minutes. So now we're going to drain the mung bean one. And this one. We drained the mung beans because there are still chunks of mung beans left. And now we're draining the green one. And there will be little lumps. And now we're going to add the color, and we can have any kind of yellow color you have, you may use it. And we're going to add the green color, and you can use any kind of green color. We're going to be adding half teaspoon of each color. This is the pandan green. And I'm going to mix it together. I washed my hands already, so it's fine. We changed whisk. Don't spray everywhere. This is the green color. And this is the yellow color, or the mung bean. We forgot to tell you that you will also need a steamer. To put the batter in, you will need 8 inches by 10 inches of a tray, or if you have molds, you can use your molds. But if you're only using trays and you don't have molds, you will need 2 8 by 10 inches trays. And we will be using molds first, and the leftover batter we will be using a tray. We are putting oil on here so it won't stick because this is metal mold. And for these ones, they're silicone molds, so they could just come out. The water is boiling, and now we're going to be putting the batter inside the molds. And remember, we're doing layers. And now we're steaming it. When you see like this, it's cooked. And now we're adding in another layer. And now we finish with the yellow layer. Repeat this process until you finish with all of your batter. This is the yellow one. Now the other batch is finished, and we're adding on a green layer. And now we finished, so we're going to put it at steam. So this is what it looks like. They're all in layers. Enjoy!